Hi everyone, so I'm going to Grace tomorrow, so I'm very excited. This is just a video to show you how to organise packing. Right, so I began by putting things in categories, as usual. So here are the categories. So I've got stuff that I need now, stuff that I don't need. So that would be like my earphones and a few papers and my keys for the house and various things like that. The next will be a category of stuff that I take during my journey and when I'm there. So that's this section over here. That's things like things for the aeroplane, wallet, and various liquids. The liquids I've even separated because it just makes life easier when you separate it now, and when you get to the airport, you're all ready to go without stressing. Then you've got your categories of things I need tomorrow onwards, and I'll get to the clothes next. Something I need to mention is these bags that you can buy from Boots. They're in different sizes. They're reusable, they're really good, you can wash them. You get them with handles and they zipped. And what you can do is, if you have a small amount of toiletries, use the small one and take it out of a bag. Bags inside bags. And it's just easy for you to pull it out, get it ready for security, and all your toiletries are visible and ready in there. So you don't know where to start with your clothes. You're there for over a week. The best thing to help you do this is write down the days. Once you've written down all the days, then you can plan ahead what you want to wear during the day and at night, because remember, the weather changes, so at night it could be cooler, you might need a jumper. So you can plan your day and you can plan your night wear, and then one pyjama outfit, one outfit for the beach, and one outfit formal. So you're going to want to check the weather, and obviously if it's really hot, you know it's going to be dresses and shorts. And then you can just do underwear for each day, your outfit, your shoes, and whether you have a jumper or a jacket. So I've written all the degrees, the weather, sunny, sun, cloud, rain, and wind. And once I've got that down, I can establish if it's going to be hot or cold and what to take. Another thing to bear in mind is when you're travelling on the aeroplane, you're going to want comfy clothes, something easy. A pullover to put on or take off because they blast the aircon. So from writing down all the days, I worked out that I'm away for 11 days and 10 nights. So by doing that, I can work out the outfits each day, how many socks, how many pants. How to start. Put your items in groups: electronics, toiletries, important things, entertainment. Don't forget that in other countries you may need an adapter, so that's something that I actually just remembered now. Okay, so we're on to packing and trying to fit things in a suitcase. So when you have a lot of things and a small suitcase, some tips will be: get your items and fold them as small as possible, like the trousers, and squeeze them in. Every nook and cranny counts, every little space counts, so if you can squeeze them right in. And then for your shirts and your trousers, roll it all up like this and squeeze it in again. So before, everything was flat like this, but it takes up little gaps there. If you do this, some reason it actually works because you're squeezing it, filling up those air gaps. And already, after I've done that, this suitcase was full up, but now you've got this whole space and you can squish down. There we go.